Welcome back to today's lesson. This is the absentee version, and I'm your host, Mr. Sandberg. And welcome back, everybody. This is Mr. Sandberg for today's lesson. As you might now have figured out, I am not in class today for you. The reason is because the middle school specialists in the Wenatchee School District are going to be out today, using today to plan lessons for the next 2 weeks, for the last 2 weeks of the semester. I will be out today for bands 7 and 8, and I do plan on stepping in for band 6 as they need a lot more of my attention than the older students do, like yourselves. So make sure and take attendance for yourself. I need everybody to complete Boom Cards 1B. And make sure that you listen and play before you select. And you need to listen and play at least twice, 3, 4, 5 times on each card. There's only 20 cards. It should go decently fast if you are really focused on it and finish the task. There is a counting lesson worksheet for chart 7, and then you will need to demonstrate that on counting lesson 7. So make sure that you get in and make your recordings of that. And then for the duration of your time, I want you to get into play tunes and make sure that you're playing. I mean, that's the goal of today, is to learn how to play your instrument, learn how to interpret the code, the notation, and so on and so forth. So that's what today's all about. I plan on seeing you on Wednesday and Friday of this week, and then we're back in Tuesday, Thursday of next week. So we have, in the next 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks of this quarter, we have 4 classes left. And so let's make sure and get these 3 things done, Cards 1B, Counting Lesson 7 worksheet, and the recording. And let's make sure and play our instruments every single day. So if you have any questions, I am available by email. I can take time to answer your questions if you need, and make sure the best way to do that is to send me a screen recording of whatever you're concerned about. If it's just a simple little, hey, what are we doing? Make sure and go to the page, look down below what you're going to see here, and check that out. And then I will be back in the saddle on Wednesday. And so until then, make sure that you pay attention to today's lesson.